Create this effortless undone French twist hairstyle equally perfect for everyday and special occasions using Magic-Grip Hairpins from Good Hair Days. This style is best with curled hair. Pull your hair back and pull out face framing layers. A wispy, casual style is ideal for this updo. Gather your hair into a ponytail and start twisting upwards. Hold the ends of the hair at the top and secure the twist with Magic-Grip hairpins. Insert the legs of the pin into the top of the twist to come through the inside edge of the twist. Then flip the pin, catching some of the scalp hair, and push the pin into the twist to secure. Use as many Magic-Grip hairpins along the length of the twist as you need to create a secure hold. Once secure, gently let go of the remainder of the hair and let the curls naturally fold and fall. Bunch the curls together at the top of the twist and arrange the style how you prefer. Use some Magic-Grip hairpins to secure the bulk of the curls to the top of the head. Experiment where you start your twist and looser or tighter curls to change up the look. This combination of a secure twist and a casual flow of curls make this undone French twist updo a classic for all occasions. Subscribe to the YouTube channel for real-time, step-by-step instructional hair tutorials using this product and many more. Available and proudly made in the USA by Good Hair Days, a woman-owned, family-operated hair accessories manufacturer since 1996.